how do I know whether writing a book will help my business grow or is right for me as a coach, an expert, or an author? Well, if you're an author, you got to be writing something.
There you go, right? A book, if you're a coach, expert, leader, a trainer, whatever you are in business, a book definitely differentiates you. It definitely sets you apart. And more importantly, it really shows that you are an expert in the field, in the area that you say you are. Now, you can go research that. People gonna find it in Google. It's gonna set you apart. It's gonna, show that you're an expert. But it truly does because the contents of the book really displays your framework and your
Yeah.
methodology. It shows what you actually practice with people that come into your circle, with clients. It displays everything. And I like to separate clients and readers because some people will definitely sign up to be your clients, but some people just want to read your books and learn from there and
Yeah.
keep it moving. And there's a difference between a client and a reader. There really is. That client is going to pay you more money for what you have to offer and read your book. That reader just going to say, I'm going to pay this $20 to this $25. If you got a series, I'll hook you up, but I'm done. And I'm going to keep it moving. You know what I mean? So yeah, it really helps to differentiate you, especially from your competition. And it really helps you stand out more in the mind of readers who may be looking for some type of transformation in their lives.
Okay. So if I were a small business and I'm a coach or I'm an expert,
Mhm.
how do I know that the book is the right way versus something else that might help me stand out, like a YouTube channel or even a podcast, right? Like,
Right.
how do I pinpoint the book is for me versus something else? Because I think a lot of times there's so many ways to do some of the stuff that
Yes.
how do you determine that I got some? Well, I guess let me reel that question back a little bit because I you said something interesting, like display your framework.
Yeah,
How do I know that I have a framework? Because I think sometimes we're just good and we're like, I can help you get there, but we don't know why we're good at what we do.
exactly. And that's a great question. So that's why a coach comes into play. And let me better frame that, what I just said to you. Often we get a vision and we get an idea, right? And it's usually start a business or go help someone in there, go help divorced women, go help divorced men. That's the end thing. But we don't get the download as far as the process.
Right.
So we just immediately either jump into, I got a business idea and we don't know which way to go with it. Or if you're like me, I get the people that I got to clean up stuff. They've already launched it. They've already put the book out there. Nothing is working. Nobody's biting the bait. They're not getting clients. They're not getting readers. And I got to help clean up that because they didn't go seek for additional help. And to your question, that's where a coach does come in. Go speak with a coach for clarification on your idea, on your vision, and then that coach can help pull other things out of you in terms of the direction that you may want to